We're here today at the Spring Rally, round 3 of the MA Media Mainland series, and turned on mint weather, so can't wait to get into it.
You're really looking forward to being back on notes. It was good doing some recce yesterday and just driving over the road, sort of refreshing what the roads are like, to get how fast they are down here. Hopefully the car keeps going and get a better result from just keeping it going and getting to the finish, really. That's the main goal. Yep.
Try and beat that black thing behind me. So it'll be interesting to see. A couple of years ago we ran here in the Escort and he was faster by a little bit, so it'll be interesting to see how the fares up against the RX-8. It's always a good rally. It's normally quite dusty. Hopefully we'll get some wind and it'll be a good old time.
Oh no, we had a good day today. Took 4 seconds out of Dean on the first stage, and on the second stage he took 4 back out. So it was a long day really, battling between him and I. But yeah, came through, went good. So yeah, he's getting a bit faster now in that ugly looking thing. But definitely in the fast stuff and uphill, we definitely got a slight advantage over him. But yeah, he's definitely driving pretty well. So it's close. Yeah, it could have gone either way today, but we took enough of a lead to get through. Well, you have a service crew, a bunch of assholes. But no, they did a good job, and no, it's good, especially after lockdown, and get back into it and do a few events. It's great with community, get back into it. So spend some money. Yeah, it's great.
Great day down here for round 3 of the Mainland series at the Spring Rally. 8 stages, the first one cancelled due to a crash, went really well. Only issue today was a little bit of dust and a small stoppage in the Ford, but other than that, I had a great day. The notes from Matt worked really well, and it gained confidence throughout every stage. Today, the thing that I enjoyed the most would definitely be the notes and the commitment that you can put through some of the corners, especially some of the blind crests that you've got down here in these South Canterbury roads. Next for me is to finish off the Mainland series with round 4 at Canterbury Rally, and in between that I'll also have Rankleburn Rally, which I may share a start with Dad down there, and then also Lawrence Rally at the very end of the year to wrap things up.
Well, first time I've really been at the sharp end, number 6. Slightly different, bit more gravel, not as swept, not as many lines to follow, so yeah, you've got to make some good choices, we'll say. Had no major problems with leaking the power steering. Sean was very good in the notes today, so all credit to him. Picked up his game, we had a good day, yeah. Yep, all good. I think some cars are more suited for different events than others. Yeah, I've got good legs in mine, and don't know what the top speed was the day reached, but yeah, I think we got up the 200 mark, maybe a wee bit over. I've never looked, so we'll find it.
Crest, long 6 left minus, don't go wide. Don't go wide, 6 minus, 120.
I thought there was a distance for some reason.
No, long 5 right, tightens, turn 3. Long 5 right, tightens, turn 3, narrow.
Come up to a bit of a junction where very blind, had a caution, went straight ahead. and effectively we've just picked it wrong.
You're right, you're right.
End up kissing the bank, and yeah, the rest is history. Yeah. Main thing is we're both okay. That's a brilliant thing with safety in the sport. We can do those sorts of things and get everyone checked out fairly quickly.
Had a bit of a motor racing day, like intercom failed on one stage and dust was really a problem, so when things were good it was great, like really stoked with how everything went, and third's a good overall result, and still got our lead in the Mainland series, so can't complain. Yeah, the dust is a tricky one, like it just comes and goes, so you just sort of do your best in it, yeah, and deal with what you've got. Next will be Canterbury Rally, so last round of the Mainland series, and looking for a good result there to try and get the title. I think we've got about a 16-point lead going in roughly, so need a good strong finish to bring that home.
Oh, it was an awesome day out there in the car. It's these roads were just a dream to drive all day apart from the dust, but everyone had that problem, and really good day for us. I wouldn't have expected this result at the start of the day, but second overall can't complain, and yeah, first proper rally for the car on notes, so I'm over the moon, and our whole team is, and thanks to them for everything, just being able to drive the car, and yeah. Oh, it's incredible. There's no other feeling like it, knowing what's over that other side of the crest, and you can just attack that crest with everything you've got and know it'll be okay. It's special. It's so cool, and to drive these things on the limit, there's nothing like it.
It's been good, mate. Pretty cruisy day, to be fair, to be honest. Just
Good rally.
driving out the front, yeah. BB's had a few tubes, as you can see.
So, Matt, obviously a pretty dominant performance today, but tell us about stage one where you got a tally by a second.
Yeah, stage one was...
I'm over the COVID thing.
It was a bit average, to be fair. Getting used to the old notes again. Big job. Getting used to notes.
She's big job.
Yeah,
She's
big job, so
big job.
Well done to Robbie there. Going forward, going into Canterbury, you know, we've got a lot to work on, but we still gained a lot today, so I'm pretty happy with that. Like, sometimes there's good commitment, and you're like, yeah, we're on the right path here, and other times we made a meal of it. But cars get in here, easier to drive. We're going to drive it easier. In this position, 2 wins in a row, you know, going into the home rally, it's all coming about really, leading into next year, and yeah, we'll go to Canterbury, and I'll just drive and try and win, basically, you know, do all we can to win, and it'll be a good battle with Josh. Here she is.
Good job.